Let's be honest, nobody really wants to talk about toilet seats, but finding the right one can absolutely change the daily life and safety of someone you love. After reviewing countless household appliances and bathroom upgrades over the years on this channel, I realized we needed to tackle something essential. Today, I am walking you through the top 6 options out there. I will explain exactly what works, what falls short, and which one actually gives you that perfect blend of safety and dignity. Drive Medical 2-in-1 Raised Toilet Seat. I wanted to like this one because Drive is a huge name in medical gear. The concept here is that it gives you a 5-inch lift and includes these removable padded arms. On paper, that sounds great. You get the height, you get the armrests, and you get tool-free installation. You just sort of rest it on the bowl. But, well, let me explain how that actually plays out in the real world when you test it. Because it does not physically lock down onto the porcelain, it relies entirely on the weight of the person to keep it somewhat stable. And, I have to say that is not exactly reassuring. If you lean too heavily on one armrest while sitting down or standing up, the whole unit visibly shifts. I mean, imagine buying this for your grandmother and she feels it slip the first time she uses it. That completely defeats the purpose of adding a safety device. The padded arms are comfortable enough, I will give it that, but the peace of mind just is not there. Plus, keeping this thing clean is a bit of a nightmare. Since it just sits on top, moisture and, well, other things can get trapped underneath. You have to take the whole thing off constantly to scrub it down, which is a hassle nobody wants to deal with on a Tuesday morning. 5. Homland Raised Toilet Seat with Handles. This one takes a slightly different approach and tries to offer a bit more structure. It has an adjustable design and comes with padded handles built right into the frame. The good news here is that it fits both standard and elongated toilets, which takes some of the guesswork out of ordering online. It elevates the seating area and the frame feels decently substantial when you first take it out of the box. But you know, once you actually get it set up, some glaring issues start to pop up. The installation process is supposed to be straightforward, but the clamps underneath can be incredibly finicky. It took me way longer than it should have to get it reasonably tight. And even after all that tightening, there is still a noticeable wiggle. It is definitely better than the Drive Medical seat we just talked about, but it is not rock solid. If you have someone who really needs to bear down on the handles to pull themselves up, they are going to feel that flex. Another thing to consider is the bulkiness. This unit takes up a massive amount of visual space in the bathroom. It screams medical equipment, which can be a bit demoralizing for folks who just want their home to still feel like a home. It does the job, but it lacks the refinement we really want to see. 4. Medline Locking Elevated Toilet Seat. This is where we finally see a proper locking mechanism introduced. And let me tell you, it makes a world of difference. Instead of just resting on the bowl or using awkward side clamps, this model has a front clamping mechanism that literally locks the seat onto the porcelain rim. When you test this out and give it a firm shake, it barely moves. That is exactly the kind of stability we are looking for. It provides 5 inches of extra height, which is usually the sweet spot for taking the strain off your knees and hips. The seat itself is contoured quite nicely, so it does not feel like you are sitting on a rigid piece of plastic. It is surprisingly comfortable for what it is. One of the biggest selling points here is that Medline included microban antimicrobial protection right into the material. You know, bathroom hygiene is already tough enough when you add extra equipment into the mix. Having that built-in resistance to stain and odor-causing bacteria is a massive win for caregivers. The only slight hesitation I have is that the locking mechanism, while secure, can be a little tough to turn if you have arthritis in your hands, so you might need a younger family member to do the initial setup. But once it's on there, it's a very solid, reliable option that actually stays put. Another thing to consider is the bulkiness. This unit takes up a massive amount of visual space in the bathroom. It screams medical equipment, which can be a bit demoralizing for folks who just want their home to still feel like a home. It does the job, but it lacks the refinement we really want to see. Number 3. Lunderg Raised Toilet Seat. This one really impressed me with its overall build quality. Lunderg is a brand that clearly pays attention to the small details, and it shows the second you unbox this unit. What sets this apart immediately is the fit. They designed this specifically to match the shape of elongated toilets beautifully. A lot of generic seats look awkward or leave weird gaps, but the Lunderg seat integrates so smoothly that it almost looks like it came with the toilet. The material is this really dense, high-quality plastic that does not flex or creak when you sit on it. I mean, when you're dealing with mobility aids, feeling fully supported is everything. This seat gives you that absolute confidence that it is going to hold up day after day. Bottom line, the comfort level is top tier. They widen the seating surface slightly compared to the standard dimensions, which makes a huge difference if you are sitting for a longer period. It just does not pinch or create pressure points the way some of the cheaper models do. And the installation is genuinely frustration-free. You do not need any tools, and the locking brackets underneath are heavily rubberized. That means it grips the ceramic tightly without scratching it, and it absolutely does not slide around. It's a fantastic premium feeling option. Carex EZ Lock Raised Toilet Seat. If you need a seat with arms and you want zero compromises on stability, this is the one you need to be looking at. It completely fixes the issues we saw with the earlier models. The EZ Lock mechanism is exactly what it sounds like. It uses a heavy-duty locking gear that firmly clamps the seat to the toilet bowl. I tested this by practically throwing my weight against the handles, and the thing did not budge a single millimeter. Honestly, I was trying to break it loose and just could not do it. Speaking of the handles, they are padded, positioned at the perfect height, and best of all, they are removable. If your mobility improves, or if you have a wheelchair transfer situation where an armrest gets in the way, you can just take one or both of them off. That kind of versatility is huge. It adds 5 inches of height, and the actual opening of the seat is nice and wide. You would be surprised how many raised seats make the opening too small, which creates a whole new set of messy problems. Carex clearly thought this through and gave it a very practical, highly usable design. Cleaning is also surprisingly easy for a locking unit. Because the clamp is so straightforward, you can unhook it, wash it down in the shower or tub, and have it locked back onto the toilet in under 2 minutes. It is just an incredibly well-engineered, dependable piece of gear.
Bemis Assurance Raised Toilet Seat. Let me just say, this product completely redefines this entire category. It does not even look like a medical device. It just looks like a really nice, slightly thicker toilet seat. Here is what matters most. Instead of clamping onto your existing toilet bowl like an awkward attachment, the Bemis Assurance actually replaces your standard toilet seat entirely. You bolt it directly into the mounting holes on your toilet. That means it is physically impossible for it to slip, slide, or wobble. It is permanently attached, just like a normal seat. It gives you a 3-inch lift, which is a bit less than the others, but often that is exactly enough to make standing up easy without feeling like you are sitting on a tower. It also features these incredible support arms that are integrated right into the heavy-duty hinges. When you push down on those arms to stand up, the weight transfers directly into the porcelain base of the toilet, not into some flimsy plastic clamp. The engineering here is just brilliant. And because it is an actual toilet seat, it has a regular lid that closes down over the top. You can close the lid, the bathroom looks completely normal, and you maintain a sense of dignity that the clunky plastic risers just strip away. It is incredibly easy to wipe down, it will not scratch your bowl, and it is hands down the absolute best raised toilet seat on the market today. Final thought? That's all for today, folks.